Stream trains from the die-cast metal collection. Here is the original, red and gold. Shoots steam out of here. Perfect for ages 3 and above. It has the gray gas container. It has the coal. It has the passenger wagon here in green. This train can be put together as so. Just hook them one by one together, and then they can be, and they're off. They're off for their journey. Choo choo! Look at that, the gas. So this is could be flammable. It's gas must be transported in a slow and safe way in order not to be, pushed over or harmed in any way. So the conductor must be serious and drive at a slow pace. Here there's also transporting coal, black coal, to go to the mine. So it's got a lot of cargo here. There's also extra storage space in the green one here, green wagon, that can transport passengers or any kind of goods. These pieces, they can be put together or they can go individually. They do not need to be put together. It could be coming out if it prefers to come out. It can go rolling individually. So this one could be rolling, just be driving along the tracks here, just on its own, or it can be part of its collection. And the order of the wagons can change colors, as you can see. You don't always need to have this order, so the kids can be creative. And the speed can vary according to your child's desire and imagination. So this is a great collection, and more colors, more wagons can be added. It's light, it's transportable, and it's fun.